Hey guys, welcome to Proto Point. In this photo tutorial, we're gonna build a simple app that can perform increment and decrement operations. As you can see, here I have created one app that has some text, one image, and two text something. And there is a text which keeps on changing. As you can see, 0. And there are two buttons over here, increment and decrement buttons. When I press increment button, the number will get incremented by 1. And when I decrement, it will be decremented. Okay. So in this tutorial, we will build this app by making use of business logic component of Flutter. Okay, so now let's go to Android Studio to build our app. Okay, so now we are in Android Studio. I have already created a Flutter project by name Flutter Blog example. Okay, and I have removed all the default code that comes with Flutter team that Flutter team provides us. I have removed everything. So basically, this app has a stateful widget. I have named it as my home page, and this home page has a scaffold that returns scaffold, and it has a app bar and a body is been centered, and it has a container. This we will remove afterwards. Okay, so now you need a event manager that can basically our app has two events, that is increment and decrement. So we need a event manager. So first create a dart file here and name it as event manager. Okay, and here create a abstract class event manager, and here we need two empty classes, that are increment event that extends event manager, and it will be empty. And likewise create another class that extend the same thing, and that's all that event manager for this event manager dot file. Okay, after that you need a Flutter business logic page that handles all the increment and decrement operations. Okay, so we'll name it as block counter, counter. Okay, counter. This will import, first of all we need to import a synchronization, and then we need to import event manager. Okay, just press event manager. Okay, so asynchronization is used for stream and sync operations. Okay, then here block counter. Okay, here there will be one variable, that is counter, which will be private first of all, and it will be initialized to 0 starting point. Okay, then after that we need a stream controller that can handle input and output operations. Stream controller which will be of type, data type will be of type integer. Okay, and after that we need a sync method. sync sync is basically we can call it as input. Okay, sync, which will accept integer type data, get string dot of type, which is of type string. A sync, I said you just now, sync you can assume it as a input. Okay, after getting the data we need to output the data. For that we are going to make use of stream, which will also output data in a form of integer. Stream of type string. Okay, so input and output has been done. Okay, sorry for the sound. Okay, then we also need a variable that can handle event manager. string controller which is of type event manager. Okay, and then we're gonna take the input from the event manager. Okay, I will explain you. Okay, this will hold which kind of event has been occurred. Here, as you can see, there are two events, that is increment and decrement. As per the user click on button, this will trigger which kind of event it is, and after that we can perform. Okay, so we need a constructor counter event dot stream dot listen to the event. Okay, to the event, here we can simply pass a function, that is mm, map event to state. This is a function that we will build, we will create here void. Okay, that will accept event manager. Okay, and here if event is increment, event is of type increment event, then what we can do is just increment the counter first. Okay, else what we can do is decrement it, minus minus. Okay, after this statement we need to add the updated number which has been updated. This will update to our UI. Okay, okay. Then we also need to dispose this state controller and event controller. Okay, because if we don't do that, then you may face a memory leak problems. Okay, okay. Event is called and state. Okay, fine. Okay, so we are done with the backend code. Backend, the backend means it is business logic code. Okay, so now we'll go to our UI design. For creating our UI design, okay, so we need to design this thing. Okay, so first we will create two buttons for incrementing and decrementing. For that we will make use of floating action button. uh, so we need two buttons to be in the form of rows. Okay, as you can see that they are in the form of rows. Okay, then the child widget, children widgets, here we will add floating action button. Here child will be a icon dot add. Okay, icon dot add. And one more thing is we need background. We will set it to green for positive. Okay, and one more thing we need is on pressed method. What should happen after button is been pressed? Increment. Likewise, we also need uh, decrement button. Just copy paste, and in place of add icon, just add remove. Okay, and background color will be set to red, which is perfect for negative. Okay, so I will just run on my phone. Okay, as you can see, button has been created, but it is in the right side, left side, sorry. Okay, so for that we need main axis alignment to end. Okay, and one more thing is we need some gap between them. For that we will make use of sized box with width of 10 pixels. Okay, we'll run it. Yeah, as you can see, button has been pressed, and as you can see that and press increment is been printed, decrement is been printed. So the buttons are working. Okay, after that come to a body part. sorry, come to the body part. Here remove the container, and instead of that we will make use of stream builder. Stream. Okay, for stream we need to get data from business logic. Okay, so you need to import the library, means this file. Okay, so now we have blog.counter. Okay, the initial data will be start from 0, and we will create a builder, build context or synchronization. Snapshot will be of type integer. Okay, so this need a return. Here we will return a widget. It's a commandment center with children widget. Okay, here we will add two text box. So we will keep a text as it was press button, and one more text that will be incremented on button pressed. Snap. Okay, so we need data from snap. Okay, snap.data. Okay, this has been printed. This will be the counter value, this one. Okay, and in on button pressed we need counter event sync dot add. In place of data we need to pass increment event. In the same way, in place of decrement we need to pass decrement event, this thing. Okay, so we'll test the app. Okay, app is running. Press the below button. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so what we will do is just add a image, network image. uh, Here it will come a URL of the image, and we will keep a width of 250 pixels and height of 200. Okay, so now let's go and find out the images. Which we can take. Okay, we will take this. I have used already. This is good. Copy image URL. This is fine. Okay, I will run it again. Okay, now this is the app is working very nice. It is working perfect. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.